Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Botna, and I invite you again to another tutorial relating to a Visual C# and SQL Server project named School Registration System. I have done about 9 tutorials relating to this project. You should follow the playlist related to this project if you want to understand entirely this project. This video tutorial has the goal to fill in the values into town and county and town combo box. Actually, I want to make a connection between country combo box and town combo box, and after a connection between town combo box and county combo box. Why? Because let's release this application. I think in this way you will understand better what I want to say. So I release the student form. We click on the student button, and as you can see now here inside the country combo box, the countries attached to this application was uploaded, was displayed in this combo box, which actually is the country from SQL Server table. I'm going to select this country table. I mean they are these countries from this table. Actually, we do a connection between SQL Server and Visual C# using this directive. I'm going to go here inside student code. I mean this directive using system.data.SQL client here. All right, so actually I want when I select a country, for example United Kingdom, I want here inside this county combo box to be filled in the counties attached to United Kingdom, and so on. When and further, when I select a county attached to one country, I want here in a town combo box to be filled in the towns attached to that country and that county. Yeah? So this is the meaning of what I said before, that I want to make a connection between country combo box and town combo box, and further between town combo box and county combo box. Let's see how we can do this. Let's stop the execution of this app. I'm going to go to students design form, and I'm going to select the combo box of country. I'm going to give a double click on it. Why I select the country combo box? I select the country combo box because I want to do a connection between country combo box and town combo box. Yeah, so double click on this, and this one will lead you inside this method, which has this event selected index in changed. Why this event? Because I'm going to use the index of this country combo box to make the connection between the country and county combo box. All the collection, all items of a combo box has behind a index. They are ordered regard to a index. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to declare a integer variable named value. So this variable actually will hold the index attached to a country combo box. Yeah. And I'm going to use the try catch exception to avoid any exception error. Here you go. Yeah, and here inside try curly brackets. I'm going to make this conversion using try parser. So I'm going to convert the index attached to country comma box to integer, yeah, because this variable value has integer type, yeah, and as you know, all controls in Visual Sharp are string type, so that's why I have to do the conversion to integer, yeah. Parentheses, CBM, yeah, CBM country. All right, selected value, the property, is this one, yeah. And now first I do the conversion to string, yeah, and now I'm going to write the value variable which will hold the index, the value of this combo box country, yeah. So I need this, and after I need this variable value, actually this the value held by this integer variable value will represent actually the foreign key of county table. So I mean this foreign key, yeah. All right, which actually is the primary key of this country table. All right, so let's go forward. So actually I'm gonna to copy and paste this code because it's about the same, just I'm gonna to change inside the code some of them. All right, so so this is a instance of this class SQL data adapter using this method data pt, which will store the SQL statement. I mean this SQL statement, which I'm gonna to change it. I'm gonna to write here county, yeah. I go in SQL Server to check the name of the table, yeah. County, yeah, it's okay. All right, and here I'm going to write where country ID. I think that was the secondary, the primary key actually for a country. Let me to select the country table, yeah. So this is there, this is the primary key of country table, country ID, which should be equal, yeah. And here I need this single quote with, I'm going to write this plus operator with a value held by this variable value, which actually is the value or the index of this combo box, of this country combo box. And in this way I will make the connection between these two combo box. No, sorry, these two combo box, country and county, yeah? Country and county. Okay, I go back inside the code. All right, I'm going to put this down. Okay, this one is the object which will hold the table associated to this county table, yeah. And here using this method which will fill in the object, DT object with the county table, yeah. And now on the next code lines, I'm going to write the name of the county combo box. This is the data source which is the data source, is this DT object, because this object is holding the county table, yeah. And which member I want to display? I want to display the county name, yeah. I'm going to change here the name, county name. I go here inside the SQL server to check the county table to be sure that the column for county name is correct, written in Visual Studio, yeah. County name, all right, yeah, it is correct. And here I need the ID, the primary key of county table. Let me to check again. Is county ID, yeah, it is correct, yeah. But I need here the combo box of county and not country. All right, so this code which will make the connection between a country and county combo box, and will fill in the county combo box with counties attached to certain country, is this one. I declare this integer variable which will hold value or the index of this country combo box. Here is this object which will hold the SQL statement which is necessary to make the connection to a SQL server and to select the table and to make the relation between country and county table, yeah. Actually I'm using here this country ID, which is the foreign key of this county table and the primary key of country table, yeah. And in this way I made a relationship between these two tables, county and country, and this integer variable will hold the value of the index of country combo box, and in this way I'm going to make the connection between country combo box and county combo box. Here I should write this plus operator, again these double quotes, and inside double quotes a single quote. Okay, all right. And on this line is fill in this object DT, which is holding the table, the county table, and on these lines I fill in the county table with the name of the counties, all right, which is attached to a certain country. Okay, now the next is to go back to student design form, and I'm going to select this county. I'm sorry, the county combo box, because now I want to make the connection between these two combo box, between county and town combo box. When I'm going to select a county, I want in this town combo box to be selected also the towns attached to that county and a certain country. So I'm going to give a double click on this combo box, which will take me inside this method. I go back to student. It seems I forgot to give a name for a county combo box, which I don't like it really. All right, it seems here I got a name, yeah, but when but here appear this combo box. All right, I'm going to change the name. I know I will receive error, but I will fix it, no problem. So I go back here. All right, go to code. And here is the problem actually. I go back here, and I want to use CBM county. All right, and let's copy this and go inside this code. Actually, I can delete this, no problem. All right. Okay, now I think it's all right. Let's go back. Let's check again this. Yeah, here you go. Here is the name. I'm going to copy and paste it here inside the code. I think it's the same, but let's be sure. And I'm going to paste it here. All right. Now let's try again. I give a double click. Yeah, good. It worked. All right, but it was changed. I have to. I don't need to actually. All right. Okay. Let's see now what is the problem. Okay. Let's remove this. All right. County. Let's go here. CBM county, yeah. Double click. All right. Okay, let's release the application. Just make a check. Yeah, it's not a good idea to change the name of the controls after you gave a name, because as you have seen, you can get quite in a lot of troubles. But now you can see when I select a country, the combo box attached to this county will display the counties attached to that country. Yeah? For United Kingdom, Twickenham, Surrey, Sussex, and Essex. If I now I select the United States, yeah, Florida, California, yeah, for Spain, for example, yeah, Granada and Madrid. And now I want to do the same thing for the county. Yeah, when I select the county, I want here in this town combo box to be displayed the towns attached to that county and a certain county. So the code works, all is fine. All right, actually I'm going to use the same code what I have done here inside this method attached to this country combo box with this event selected in the exchange. The event is the same actually. The idea is the same, to make the connection between a county combo box and town combo box. Yeah, okay, let's paste it in here. I have to make a few changes. The variable is the same, integer variable. Here is the conversion, yeah, to integer, yeah, because the value variable is an integer variable. But I should change here this country with the county, because now I have to make the connection between county combo box and town combo box. All right, I've got about the same statement. Here I should change this county table with town table, because now I need a town table to fill in the town combo box. Yeah, it is about this table. The name is correct. Here is about this name, and I need this name, town name, and I need the town ID and the county ID, which is the foreign key of this town table, and is the same, the primary key for the county table. Yeah, and in this way I make the relationship between these two tables, town and county. All right, let's go inside the code and make the changes. And here, instead of country, I'm going to use the county ID, which is the foreign key of this town table. And this one should match the value held by this integer variable value, which is actually the index or the value of this combo box county attached to the items filled in county combo box. Alright, this statement will open the connection. Here this table with this instance using this class data table will hold the town table, yeah, which will be filled in by this method. And now I'm going to change here the name of the combo box from CBM County to CBM Town. Let's make a check here if the name is correct. Let's select the properties. Yeah, it is correct, CBM Town. Yeah. All right. Let's copy and paste this in here. All right. Boom. Okay. Yeah. Now here I should change this. Instead of county name, I should write town name, and here town ID. All right. I think everything is alright, everything is fine. I have done all the changes, so let's release this application. Okay, let's release the student form. Oh, here you go. So I select United Kingdom. Now, as you can see, at the same time was the field in the county combo box with the counties attached to the United Kingdom, yeah, Twickenham, Surrey, Sussex, Essex. Actually, these are the counties what I filled in the table here in SQL Server. As you can see, Twickenham, this is the town. The counties are this one. Now this is the country, is the same country. Yeah, these are the counties: Twickenham, Surrey, Sussex, and Essex. All right. Actually, in UK there are much more counties. I filled in this table just with a few of them. For exemplification and for the next countries as well. Yeah. All right. Let's select United States, and here the counties attached to United States: Florida, California, and here is the town attached to Florida. When I select California, in a town combo box will be displayed the town attached to California, and so on with other countries. Yeah, Lorraine, and here I've got one town, I think, for each county. I think I don't know, here in United Kingdom I think I used a county which has two towns filled in town table. Yeah, is this county Sussex, which is part of United Kingdom. Yeah, these two towns, Brighton and Horsham, yeah, part of this county Sussex, and so on. Canada, yeah, Quebec, and when you select Quebec, is change the town attached to this county. Spain, yeah, with these two counties, Madrid, and this will make to be displayed in town county, the Madrid town, or city. Actually, Madrid is city. All right, so that was all for today. In next video tutorial, I want to fill in this combo box class. But before I stop this video tutorial, just I noticed I've got here two buttons, this delete and update buttons, which shouldn't be able actually, yeah, because when this form is released, namely the student form, these two buttons should be disabled, yeah, because the user shouldn't be able to touch them, because by mistake they can update or delete records from this personal data part, yeah. So let's make these two buttons, update and delete, disabled, yeah. Okay, let's go inside here the code, and I'm gonna go here inside the constructor. I'm gonna to use the name for these two button, btn update dot enable, yeah, equal false, semicolon, btn delete dot enabled equal false, semicolon. So now let's release again this application. Let's see if my settings, my changes works in my application. Yeah, it works. Yeah, now the update and delete button are disabled. You can't use them anymore when you launch this form student. Here you go. Let's select the United States. Here are those two counties attached to United States, and the town attached to Florida county or states. All right, that was all for now. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other video tutorials related to this project, school registrator system. I've got also other projects on my channel. There is a loan calculator, also a simple calculator. So I'm going to do in future other projects according with my off time. Thank you to watch this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.